Hi guys, today I have a delicious, super quick and easy to make apple dessert for you. I've been wanting to share this recipe for a very long time and now I finally got to it. So I really hope you're gonna like this apple dessert in a glass. Let's get started with the recipe. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. It's really quick and easy to make and it's one of my favorite desserts because of that, because it's simple, it's easy to make and it's very versatile. So I have other similar recipes that I'm gonna link for you here so you can have a look and maybe you will find another one that suits your taste. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget that thumbs up for support, and also if you're new to my channel, then you can subscribe right now and don't forget to tap the bell so you won't miss any of my new recipes. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.